Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch Ultra 2 and I'm gonna show you how to add the workout to the list of workouts on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. Once the menu opens, find the workout icon, and once you find it, tap on it to open the workout menu. As you can see here, we have a list of workouts. And if you want to add different workout, scroll all the way down and tap on Add Workout. It will open the list of workouts you can add, find the ones you like, and then once you find it, tap on it, and it's gonna be added to the list. You can also tap on this More Options icon, and here you can tap on Preferences and you can customize your workout. Like you can set the alerts and time alert. Also you can tap on workout and you can change the metrics, how the menu looks like. Basically you can tap on edit and you can change different informations on your workout screen when you're basically tracking the workout. Okay, and once you're done, you can go back and as you can see, it's here, and that's how you add the workout to the workout list on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.